like these were an essential source of preserving and promoting Buddhist knowledge in Tibet. They were printed locally in Tibet at the Narthang Monastery Printing Press, one of the 3 such establishments that were destroyed during the Chinese invasion of 1959. But the resilient Tibetan population in exile is now restoring this lost tradition. This is the Narthang Printing Press situated at Kangchen, Kishong.
If I go back, the Northern Press in Tibet is a wood block press. But since we came into exile, the press is basically it's like a traditional letter press. But over the years, we developed this letter press into a more kind of developed modern kind of a press, and now we have a modern laser printing press, which is the latest modern technology prevalent in India.
Over the last few decades, the press has been a witness to the story of Tibetan resistance.
Formerly, this press was established in 1968 by 3 individuals, namely the Kasu Tenzin Gyatso, Kasu Kalin Tisu Tenzin Namgyala, and late Kalin Tisu Sunandabgyala. They 3 started the printing press in order to print the Sheja magazine in Tibetan language. They educate the young Tibetans about the current situation in Tibet and about the world. And gradually the press was handed over to then Information Office in 1972, and it was named Narthang Press in the memory of the Narthang Press in Tibet, which was destroyed completely.
Mr. Lhawang Ngudup is one of the oldest staffers at the press. He has seen the evolution of this press for over 30 years. More than 15,000 publications are printed at the Narthang Printing Press every month. One only hopes that this press will continue to further the legacy of the 16th century jewel that was destroyed in 1959. Jigme Wangchin for Tibettv.